Normal Kenyam breaking news mibere which ka jongley Rajan chalat gwasame chalat no kuäär nana keb jongley state kia governor jongley state kuäär state ka ne Mahjoub biel turuk wajen ke order michetop cha kuäär do dien nire which ka jongley chalado enjen cha jayen Shaun Mishal ke Isaac Mamer Rook, Ramadan Lai State Minister for Land and Housing, Chaye Yen Rewich Kajongle State. Raja me Raj Mishala Intame, Wawarga me Yan ke Wude me, Mishal ka Isaac Mamer Rook, Ramadan Minister Dung Money, Kene Dwell, Rewika Jongle, Wajan Chaye Yen, Eko Charod Mat, Katin kon ki rointin kon tin dakana kamne kian ketin kontin chamal chajano baje kun ye gwasme be ajeling an warga dana shagor an kuer danen kude me mishalke Isaac Mameru ga kujele yen kuer majobiel turuk karaj mishagor baje chukwen ye Jongley State Governor Mahjoub biel turuk as he issued an order for the house arrest of Isaac Mameruk, the State Minister for Land and Housing, citing his involvement in activities deemed to be jeopardizing the peace and security of the state. Jaja yen ko janchoroda mat katin kon tin dak ke Jongley State, che Governor Dung Jongley chajalat Mahjoub biel turuk choraje mo chejo kwen ano araje me mcha kwene ala Isaac Mamer Rook jen yan ga jere dwara kana yen police ni cha yen dhɔɔrɛ chala do ne gwan mi cha yiti tinan kuren la governor Turuk Governor Turuk accused Rook of playing a role in the recent unrest and violent protests that erupted following the killing of South Sudanese nationals by Sudanese army force during the capture of Wad Medani, Sudan. Awai yene je ke kwiko choroda mat kataye che korche tuoga je re wich ki me cha South Sudanese cha kana Wad Medani, awai jene che mat kana itene kontila je wich kataye dan e cha South Sudanese cha kana je Wad Medani, e wai jeni jeno go bana protester shude shalke governor Mahjoub biel turu ka jen men chala da miji ngume de ka South Sudanese ka je warga ma gor je ka chanjan dangro ka pai kel ron kin dangro widi jen dangro de pan charoj me che kwen jeni yene kwere me shio jen e che mi je che jala go yin wuche chonkel ka jiwejo jen dobran che gwen ka je the governor order stipulated that Rook or Isaac Mamer Rook will remain under the house arrest until further notice, while an investigative committee formed by Turuk will probe the minister's alleged involvement in various security incidents across the state, including the looting of the Marol market in Bor, which South Sudanese-owned business attacked during the protest. Goyan cha goyan keje kuer la governor rei wajen wina mi ka jongle e wajen charo da mat kane te kon e te jak market ko ba kwak e jan larmo. Turuk emphasized that Rook is a primary suspect in the event that led to the destruction at the market, an accusation the minister has strongly rejected. And kuer na kev la governor dung jongle jene Turuk ija ramadana jang na ko be korba to ki bna barar jeni jaram nyamandana la gwandura ko kuje mo betre te ji na mena mi kuma shi investigation morung che konlat na mo jenda na chalat foinde ramadan la governor eno ba je kon investigate men mi cha dwer dan te cha kon ngaji no dwer ba chu yen ka yen dit ne me a cha je reject manana chalat ramadan en la governor Governor Mahjoub biel turuk chaje reject manana chalat cha jugo no mo shi tok Ano. In his response to the order, Minister Isaac Mameruk strongly denied the charge, calling them baseless and unfounded, and accusing the governor of political motivation. Ajana milat keme Ramadan le governor ajene a politic chiyo take mi jeng mashalat talaja eno wuna wukara na mo ke civilian mo gore ke shi dundo na me a politic jen yena manen kuɛɛr nan le governor jen na shalat mamer rajmo cheje kwen ajene na I am one of the people who own shop in Marol Market. Jene an point aram kelne content ke suk ka Marol Market. Deno de goro to ba Marol Market be ja daka. My shop is rented and I really want the 300,000 South Sudanese pound I earn monthly to support my family. Jene en took the point la no yuti 300,000 kindre kudang diok South Sudanese pound. Adu ba de market de jo ja ba daka jamana. These accusations are politically motivated. Governor Mahjoub is politically bankrupt with ideas. Ajene point kwaran and la Governor Mahjoub ajene tele ne jagwad medera yan kaje. Name ajene she talk, name a catch, ajene a politic ni jen. And point attack tuka Marol Market. Ngunde Marol Market de ja dakamo ken jega yutin. Adobe den de jen no jamone. Name agenda na tuwa temere which in winami de kon larne na. Ano. Alana me a politic but baja mat te mishala gwada me jen ruk mamere me ajena nana ruk further contend that the governor lack the legal authority to suspend or arrest him but has chosen to comply with the order in an effort to maintain peace. The state minister also made an appeal to the office of the president urging for the removal of Governor Mahjoub Biel to prevent further unrest and instability in Jonglei state. Watch minister Shikarwa Jigana president na kuɛɛr selbuke maya didn't know de Mahjoub Biel de je watch kuɛɛr Mahjoub Biel wa de je watch kuɛɛr ga wura idan shala just state minister to chikan kuɛɛr ne selbuke maya di chikana gwarorga ko jenni wa ba kormbi be jaga jabe re watch ka Jonglei state ka ta danan go karwanje kon lede rodin ka je jaro idan shala no Governor Mahjoub Biel wajen bakor be jenore wike Jonglei state ko na me lede me a politic telen dugwan me dong de yen kaje ka do bran cherat kaje ku ken la gor duo mimo bi ken yar kaje du no men me cha gor ken yam cha gor no en point de je ko jen jaga kori ko be ko won yam re wike Jonglei state a jaro dana chalat Ramadan en cha kula yen Isaac Mameruk Jonglei state minister for land and housing re wike Jonglei ajen chianene rikten tuoka Jonglei akena tontenen yen gamo akado brana cha kuɛɛr mo cha yen ke je kuɛɛr na kep Jonglei ne Mahjoub Biel ajaram rana chi Isaac Mamer cha je yen ko jene Mamer ejen jak so Sudanese ko ba ka tago ka ba ra Sudani jako ba ka tagre wejin winmi ka Jonglei ke jen jako ba tungne ba ka majone anetin kon tela so Sudanese te barar ne me jaro jidan en chalat lerdian gwasmen bukon nyog mukwen kone kirma yadit cha kwartin tere wika warab state cha ka watch tiang ka war ka kwar konte ka central quarter kan kwar konte ka warab cha ka watch ke order mi che tup ke television dung sa Sudan cha raj mo cha ja kwen tiang ka watch kirma yadit kwartin tere wika warab kana central quarter cha ka watch kan kwadi altin cha watch ka ji spelem korodian tela spelem Mahjoub de tin ka tel bonde ko kenetin ajaro jarana shalat ajen gwa dande ler konde ka pektin biata kamal bye bye.